This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook scallops on the stove. First, ensure your scallops are completely dry by patting them thoroughly with paper towels. This crucial step prevents steaming and promotes a beautiful, golden brown crust. You will want to remove any small, tough side muscle if present, as it can detract from the tender texture. A dry surface is the secret to achieving that restaurant-quality sear right in your own kitchen. Once your scallops are dry, season them generously on both sides with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Do not be shy with the seasoning, it enhances their natural sweetness. For the best sear, choose a heavy-bottomed pan, such as cast iron or a quality stainless steel skillet. These pans retain heat exceptionally well, which is essential for developing a uniform crust. A good pan makes all the difference for consistent results. Next, place your chosen pan over medium-high heat and allow it to get very hot for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, swirling it to coat the bottom. The oil should shimmer, but not smoke excessively, indicating it is ready. This intense heat creates the ideal environment for a rapid, beautiful sear without overcooking the delicate scallop interior. Carefully place the scallops into the hot pan in a single layer, ensuring they do not touch each other. Cook them in batches if necessary. Let them sear undisturbed for 1.5 to 2 minutes until a deep, golden brown crust forms on the bottom. Avoid moving them during this time, allowing that beautiful color and flavor to develop fully. Patience is key here for that perfect, crisp exterior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.